Hey everyone. So I have an RV. That's about to be me in a second. Fucking dead. It's feeling moist up here though. She's a leaker! Oh no! Somebody save me! Everything's so moist. Oh my god, there's so much water. I don't even know what to do about that. That's a balloon on my back. What the fuck? Water fucking tight. That's nice. Welcome to a video where I will be, I guess, renovating this. It's, actually, I don't even remember what it's called, but it's just got a bathtub. Oh, God. You know, she's got a lot of work to do, you know, but I guess that's the fun of it. Something to do while I sit here and fucking do nothing. But I gotta take this roof down because there's a leak, and I'm going to the roof. I was just up there getting some water off. It's rusted as hell, but I just got some roof sealant, so I'll be painting that on. But in the meantime, while I wait for that to dry just a little bit more, I'm gonna see what's going on under here. How about that? I just got this drill. I don't have many bits for it. Let me put this down somewhere. But I do have this screwdriver with a bunch of different bits. So, actually, I don't even know what I need. So I'm gonna need, what the hell is that? Okay. Yeah. I bet that there's gonna be a lot of different screws because whoever did this really worked with what they had. Now I know nothing about RVs. I haven't even like filled this thing up with gas or water because I can't for the life of me figure out where or how to do that. God damn it. But what I do know is how to fix shit and also work with what I have. Now, this is me working with what I have. Now we gotta, a drill bit. I gotta figure some shit out here because I'm not used to this. I'm gonna put the old mask on and set y'all up. Okay, let's get this fucking track off. How about that? Oh my god, they used the longest screws in the world. I think I fucking stripped one out the bat. That's nice. Looks like they missed the track entirely on that one. There's one here. There we go. Now the roof's drooping. That's fun. So, mother of pearl. She's done. Look at that jack. Ah. It's fucking wet up here because of the leak. I hope this isn't my greatest downfall. What kind of fucking angle is that? This makes me so nervous. I feel like there's just a pool of water above me. Ah. What the hell is that? There's not even... Motherfucker. a lot of dead wasps with me. It's like an omen. That's about to be me in a second. Fucking dead. Really fucking scared this thing's gonna follow me. Oh, this shit's fucking going down. It's feeling moist up here though. These aren't even like screwed into anything. Like leathered ass fingers, I can get them out. There's like only fucking 16 more and then we're done. She's a leaker. Help! I'm definitely just holding a pool of water above me. Oh no! I'm trapped. Somebody save me. I've made it out. This might be dangerous. There we go. It smells horrible, even with the mask. See what I'm dealing with? Everything's so moist. I keep finding more. Oh my god, there's so much water. Ladies and gentlemen. I don't even know what to do about that. I want to make it clear I was told there was no leaks when I bought this. Fucking balloon on my back. What the fuck? I don't have to deal with any water problems. But it's all fucking watertight, baby. Water fucking tight. Nothing to do about it now. That's nice. This roof off. Okay, I'll be back. Well, here's the beauty herself. Fucking 1980 something Vandura GMC. Travel Air. She's a beauty. Okay, so oh, there's the mold. Okay, so there was mold, but I don't know who the fuck decided, you know what, where we sleep, let's not put in a new support beam. Let's just do that shit. So what I'm gonna take this shit out. I'm probably gonna run, get a piece of wood cut so I can put an actual fucking support beam here. I'm gonna take all this shit out because I mean there's mold right there. I'm running, it's 12:40 now, so I'm gonna do this as fast as I can because I don't want to have to sit here. It's October, it's gonna be cold, and I don't need to be dark out, especially if I'm gonna do the roof. Now I only have like 5 more days of light, including today, so this is gonna have to get done ASAP. Now as to where I'm gonna fucking put this shit, I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna have to try to break it up as much as I can. But that's the plan, and I'll probably start recording after I do that because I'm gonna run low on battery. But this is gonna be fucking fun. I'm so excited. And I'll check back with you in a sec. Okay, here's the situation. Took that fucking stud out. Got rid of all the wet parts. But I'm probably gonna get rid of all of it. I just am not sure how to cut this out so that I can, you know, just replace only this part. Although this is making me a little nervous. It is like dry though. Their stud there was dry and flaky, pretty much like dirt, almost like it was burnt, which is a little concerning. I'm not sure if I put a new fucking stud there. The only problem is all the screws. Those are not accessible from the roof. I might just have to run without one, unfortunately. But the water came from all these little holes here from the metal. They put a sheet metal on top, but they didn't coat it with anything, so obviously it's gonna rust, opening up. Then water is gonna seep in, and this is gonna happen. So I've got to go run to get a tape measure because apparently I don't have one. Then come back, get my measurements, and then run to the hardware store and see what I need and how they can help me. Fuck. Got that shit. Alright, got my measurements for this space. That's on the assumption that I'm gonna have to take out all of this remaining wood, shove new pieces in here and in there. So that's gonna be fun. I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna take out all of this and leave enough room for me to slide a new piece in there. I'm gonna get some advice from the guys who know what they're fucking doing. And I gotta figure out what the fuck to do with this. Finding a way to take all this stuff out of here is gonna be interesting. But I'm more focused on at least just getting this covered, a new beam in, and then so I can just go over with my roof sealant and not worry about anything coming through these holes. Now anywhere else, the roof is all fucking good, but it won't be unless I get that covered ASAP. So I don't want to risk moisture overnight or anything, so I'm gonna run and do this as quick as possible. But yeah, wish me luck. Here I am on the roof of the RV. It's a lot of rust, but I have something to cover it. Now this is right where the beam is gone, so I'm gonna be quite careful. I can't get that working in time, but what I do need to do is seal this, just because I know this rust is getting pretty bad, and if I leave it overnight, then I'll probably run into some bigger issues. So I'm gonna give it at least a first coat of this stuff. If I have time and light, I will try to go for a second coat. Wish me luck. Try to get a video, but I got my first coat down. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my second and third. I'll probably get a better time lapse so you can see the whole process, but it looks pretty good. I need a paintbrush getting these little crevices here, but other than that, we're looking good. This will help with the leaking significantly. I went inside and I could check that it was beating in those little holes, so it's sealing them nice and good.